What's going on, guys? Thanks for joining me on another video. Appreciate the support. Today I'm going to be doing my little grapple on my mini loader. Connect the cylinder. There's a packet of stuff down there. I need to get that out. And gonna install this. Hopefully the connectors, the flat face connectors, I have flat face connectors on there. So I'm hoping everything goes easy. I don't have any running around to do, but let's get to it. All right, so I got my brush shield on, got my pin in, and next gonna see if these connections hose. I'm gonna bring the machine over. Hopefully everything hooks up, and we'll see how it works, see how wide it opens, and see how everything works on it. Never had it hooked up. Okay, here we go. This is the first time I'm using the quick disconnect on this little mini loader. Let's see how it works. Okay, so all you do is just turn it 180 degrees. Okay, I don't see any pins I have to pull. I think that's it. All right. So my thoughts on it, wish it would opened up a little bit wider. I could go with the brush grapple. They do make one for this, but I don't know. I'll see how this one works out. I mean, if I can't get a nice grip on some nice good sized piles, then I'm gonna have to go with a different grapple. But the reason I got that to have just better pickup on logs, because the brush grapple doesn't have this bottom, these teeth down here. It's just cut flat off. So we'll see how it works out. I'll definitely keep you posted. Any questions, comments, leave them down below, and I will see you on the next video. See ya.